Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an error on your Windows computer that says that the group or resource is not in the correct state to perform the requested operation. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Now, once Device Manager has loaded, you want to go ahead and just left click on the View tab up at the top, and then select where it says Show Hidden Devices. Once you're done with that, now you want to go ahead and expand the Network Adapter section. So either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to drop it down. Now, any adapters that may be currently disabled in here, you want to go ahead and right click on them and enable them. So for example, if I just disable this one here, you notice it'll have a little downward facing arrow, or it might be grayed out or a slightly transparent appearance depending on what version of Windows you're running. So just to enable it, you want to go right click on it and left click on enable device. Again, you want to make sure that your network adapters are enabled. You more than likely won't have as many as I do here, and you're probably not going to need to do it for any WAN mini ports. So more than likely there's going to just be one or two in here. Just to make sure you just enable that like I showed. Once you're done with that, close out of here, restart your computer, and hopefully that should be about it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.